Last year I made an April Fool's video where I used blocks with an animated texture. But did you know that you can animate the texture of any blocks with just a resource pack? Let me show you how it's done. You'll see it's super easy. It's all vanilla, no mods, no data packs. So first you need a resource pack. If you know how to create your own, that's perfect, but if you don't, just copy one that you already have. In that resource pack you'll need two things: an image file with the texture of the block, and a MCMETA file with the same name as your image but with a .png at the end. For the last one, you can just copy one that's already there, like the one for Prismarine or Magma blocks, and rename it. You can delete everything else in the blocks folder. Then you take both files and copy them to another folder, since you will not be able to modify them while they are inside the resource pack jar. Let's start with the texture. You can open the image file in any image editor. If your texture is not already animated, you'll see a single square image of the texture. You will then need to increase the height of the image to fit in each frame of your animation, one on top of the other. In other words, if you want, for example, 3 frames, triple the height. Then you can just draw each frame however you want it, and you'll be done with the texture. For the MCMETA file, you can open it with any text editor, like for example Notepad for Windows or TextEdit for Mac. When you open it, you will see some code, but don't worry, it's not actually that complicated. There are 3 things that you can play with: Frametime, Interpolation, and Frames. Frametime indicates the duration of each frame. The lower it is, the faster it will change between frames. Interpolation will make the frames gradually fade from one to the next, otherwise they will instantly change with no kinds of transition. Frames lets you pick a sequence that the frames will follow. Be careful, however, this works in a zero-based numbering system where the first frame is numbered 0, the second is numbered 1, and so on. Then you put both of these files back in the folder, install the resource pack, and voila, animated frames. Have fun with that, and please share your best creations with me. I really want to see what all of you can do with that.